It's a now you know type of stuff.
What's up, Tallahassee? I can't wait to come back, share with you once again. I'm excited not only to bring a message about genius and its actual accessibility to us all by divine birthright, but also we're going to be experiencing genius after service, a workshop immediately following that allows us to access genius on demand through group songwriting. We're going to write an original song together. Don't freak out. You have to have zero experience, zero musical ability. And even if you have that experience, I'm going to show you a way to do it that you may have never done before. If you've never written a song with me, then you've probably never done this. I can almost guarantee it, right? But it's going to be exciting and show you how to access genius on demand in a way that will blow you away. Looking forward to seeing you there so we can make practical spiritual principle. Peace.